Hey everyone, and welcome. Congrats! Tapos ka na sa Bachelor of Industrial Technology. So ready ka na bang mag-dominate sa job market? Stop na yung endless scroll sa general job sites. You deserve something better, diba? This is BIT Connect, ang exclusive digital home ng bawat proud BIT graduate. Our mission is clear. We help BIT alumni to track, trace, and get great jobs fast. Ibig sabihin, carefully selected ang roles para sa'yo. One-click application at yung profile mo nakapost na for top candidate. Gusto mo bang makita kung paano? Tara, mag-tour na tayo. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-isa-isa ng mga listing. Sa BIT Connect, alam na namin ang specialization mo. Dito ka, pwede ka mag-explore ng by category. Kahit saan ka man passionate sa computer, electronics, or food technology, may job category na match sa expertise mo as a BIT graduate. Finding the perfect fit is so effortless. Gamitin mo lang yung powerful search bar namin, mag-search by keyword, location, or industry tag. Tingnan mo ang mga listing. Nakikita mo lahat ng details instantly. Location, employment, type competitive, at syempre ang company. At kapag nakita mo ng dream job mo, just click the green button. One-click application lang. Say goodbye sa pag-fill out ng 10 times. At sa pinakababa naman, makikita natin ang our client say, kung saan ang advice at experience ng karamihan ay maaaring i-share sa lahat. Kaya ready ka na bang i-accelerate ang career mo at sumali sa power network ng BIT alumni? Kung isa kang BIT graduate na naghahanap ng next big role, i-click mo na yung sign in and sign up button para sa mga opportunities na para lang sa'yo. Nakita mo ang promise namin. Great job and fast. Ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kadali lang mag-start and mag-connect. First step, create account. Fill up lang ng full name, email, at password mo. Super basic, right? After mo mag-register, may makikita ka na notification. Once nakapag-fill up ka na, click create account. At dito, i-check mo lamang ang email mo for a verification code when you sign in. So tara, sign in na tayo. Since this is an exclusive tracer for BIT alumni, may simple approval process lang tayo. Once verified ka na as a genuine BIT alumni, you can sign in na. And for your security, we also use a verification code whenever you sign in sa new device. Secure ang data mo dito, promise. Okay, pasok na tayo sa loob. Welcome to your dashboard. Ito na ang home base mo. Dito sa network feed, pwede kang mag-share ng success story mo, mag-post ng industry insight, or mag-congratulate ng mga batchmate mo. It's like your professional social media. Sa left side ng profile mo, makikita mo yung university, connection, followers, at saved jobs mo. Make sure to keep your profile updated para madali kang makontak ng employers. Punta naman tayo sa network tab. Ito ang heart ng alumni tracer. Makikita mo agad yung connection mo and all your pending invitation. Pero ang pinakamagaling dito, ang people you may know from Bulacan State University. Hindi mahirap hanapin ang mga alumni at student mo. I-click mo lang ang connect button at boom, you're back in touch with your BIT community. Okay, let's talk about Money Maker, Jobs and Employment tabs. Dito makikita mo ang mga kumpanyang actively hiring now para sa BIT talents. Gamitin mo lang ang search bar para maghanap ng specific job or title or skills. O kaya i-search mo lang ang city or region na gusto mo. Look at these amazing companies. Makikita mo agad kung ilang open roles at kung gaano karaming new openings in the last 30 days. This means high turnover and lots of opportunities. Pwede kang mag-view company profile for more details. At kung gusto mong ma-update ang lahat sa post nila, i-click mo lamang ang follow button at direct line na ito sa BIT-friendly industries. Kita mo na? BIT Connect is a complete package. It's your professional network, your direct job portal, and your alumni community in all secure platform. Dito naman sa notification mo, makikita mo ang lahat ng notif, including accepted your request, and also kung may offer na para sa'yo, and also the follow request. Meron ditong nakalagay na opportunities na kung saan dito naman magsasuggest ng job na para sa'yo. Kung gusto mo naman na i-update ang profile mo, just click on the picture on the upper right, view profile, and also kung gusto mong lagyan ng picture or background, just click edit. Dito makikita natin ang pinaka-bio mo kung saan pwede mo ilagay ang iyong headline, skills, course or major, graduation year, job title, your current employer, and also your email, LinkedIn, and resume for easy access to the employer. After ma-change lahat ng gusto mong baguhin, save changes lang. Don't just graduate. Connect and thrive. Sumali na sa BIT Connect. I-click mo na yung create account at sa-secure ang future mo kasama ang BIT community. See you online. Salamat sa panonood.